say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
So just a quick talk on what we're doing. This is a Peugeot Expert camper van. As you see, I'm just going to take you around it right now, so enjoy.
Choke you down just like a pill.
So as you can see, this is a pop top roof. So you put this on there and you can see you've got quite a lot of room. Yeah, it's a 4-berth, so it sleeps 4 people, which is also a bonus. But yeah, this is also for sale. If you want to have a look for any inquiries, go on to A to B car and van sales. All you need to know about this van will be on there. This camper van will all be on there for you. Also, there's little windows, as you can see, that fold, that zip up and down. So yeah.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry.